the next Sketchbox. So this is from May 2025. It feels on the light side, but it doesn't feel like charcoal light, so pencils, maybe markers. It's light. Oh, it feels big. There's the box. Okay. Oh, it's markers. Okay, that's different. Put this down for markers. Sketchbox, 10 years of Sketchbox. Interesting. Okay, so these are signature alcohol markers. And that's part of the box. Comic book layout double face. I hope they give me some examples. I can't do like comic characters without a reference. Celebrating 10 years of Sketchbox. All right, so we got that little thing of paper. We got 6 Japanese brush nib and chisel nib. Interesting. Sign pen. Ooh, it's the good one. It's the one with the little tiny brush. I love those. I got a blue micron in 2. Interesting. I don't think I have any blue ones. Jelly roll, not my favorite. How do you get the cap off? I can't get the cap off. And this is Touch Twin Marker Shinhan Art. And then like oh, it's right on the side. Well, it says mauve, but this color isn't. This color looks mauve. This looks like lavender. But okay, we'll test that out. Why can't I get the cover off this? You're supposed to turn it? Oh, because you press it out. Oh, okay, all right. Well, maybe it won't be so bad then. So it's in white, which is good. Do I have anything in black? This is just so I can test this out. Okay, maybe I'll like it better. Maybe they've improved it, but yeah, it's not bad. And I like that it's a clicky one, even though it took me several minutes to figure that out. All right, this is the mauve or mauve. Oh, that's pretty. I might have to do something springy. So there's a chisel tip and a brush tip. Got it? Oh no, let's try these. These are so neat. These are micro brush or micro tip brush or whatever, and they just, oh my God, I love these. They're so tiny, tiny, tiny. It's in gray, right? Yeah. So you can make thicker lines or you can make really thin lines. That's very cool. Okay, this is a micron in blue, very thin line. And let's try these. Oh yeah, pretty colors. Oh yeah, I've had these before. Okay. Nice springy colors. So let's see. This is the chisel. Oh, that's pretty. And the brush, the nice brushes. So those are good. I like those better. All right, pink. Look at all these springy colors. Yeah, like it's like Easter colors. What color is this? Apricot. Cotton candy. Raspberry. Peachy. Oh, so I could do maybe a portrait. We'll see. I don't know what to do with these. I don't normally draw with just alcohol markers, so this will be a challenge for me. This one is key lime. They're so pale. Pretty. And this one is sky blue. And that's it. So those are the colors that I get to work with. And I have the white, and I have a black, and a blue. Well, I'm gonna have to come up with something. Maybe I can look up, I was gonna say I'll copy this, but I don't know if I want to. I might look up like a manga character and try to draw that, because it seems like that's really, these are really good for that kind of thing. I don't know, let me look, I'll look in my little archive and see what I can find. And I will draw it on this little paper. I'm probably gonna do speed paint just because I'm listening to something on YouTube. And then I'll come back at the end and tell you how it went and what I thought of everything. Okay, so this is my little finished drawing. I think it came out really cute. I never work with alcohol markers, so I always kind of feel like, ugh. But I do like the way they look, because when you're coloring, I don't know, if you hear any noise, it's my upstairs neighbors banging around. When I work with alcohol markers, very rarely, and I start to color, it always looks uneven, but I guess eventually it spreads out because I don't see any lines. I don't know, I kind of panic when I'm using them. But I love the colors. I think the colors look really nice. So those were mostly these. I did use this for the hair. This is based on a drawing, this drawing, or I guess it's a drawing, could be a painting. It's Yoshitomo Nara. He's just this artist I've just been super into lately, so I've been copying his designs, but not with this. I've been using my Neo colors to kind of find his style. I love his style because it's very simple, and it's just it's a very simple kind of sort of based on manga kind of paint drawings, but he paints and he does all these different colors, and I don't know, it's just really cool. So anyway, so that's why I ended up drawing that. So yeah, so this was, they did feel like, I don't know, they don't look it. It felt like they were low on ink, but I guess they weren't. I don't know, maybe I'm just not used to working with them. The paper was fine. Maybe it was the paper that made it feel like it was dry. It didn't, I don't know. I'm not explaining it right. I love these colors. I love this color. They were fine. I love having the brush tip, so that's the best part. Did I use this? Yes, I did use the micron in the eyes, outline the eyes. I used the white click on the hair. I did some on the eyes and the nose. I used this for outlining. That really helped. Having something to outline helps when you're working with an alcohol marker. So yeah, I liked everything. Fun. So it was an easy one this month. I didn't have to struggle too much, and I thought this came out really cute. So that's it. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.